Hey there, ever wondered why salmon is often called a brain food? Well, grab your fork and let's dive into the science behind salmon and brain health. First off, salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are crucial because our brains are made up of nearly 60% fat, and a large chunk of that is omega-3s. Omega-3s are not just any fat, they're the building blocks of brain cells. They help improve the fluidity of your brain's membranes. And a fluid brain is a brain that thinks faster and remembers more. Now there's a specific type of omega-3 fat called DHA, and it's a real superstar for your neurons. Regular intake of DHA has been linked to improved memory and learning. It might even protect against age-related cognitive decline. That's right, eating salmon could keep your mind sharp as a tack as the years roll on. But wait, there's more. Salmon also contains a lesser-known nutrient called astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant. This stuff is what gives salmon its pink color. Astaxanthin helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which can lead to neurodegenerative diseases. And for those of you worried about mood swings and brain health, salmon's got you covered there too. The nutrients in salmon help boost serotonin levels, which is often called the happiness hormone. So not only does salmon help you think clearer, but it might make you feel a bit happier too. So how much salmon should you eat to reap these benefits? Studies suggest that eating salmon twice a week is a good rule of thumb. Whether it's grilled, baked, or even in a salad, it's a delicious way to fuel your brain. Remember, your brain loves omega-3s, and salmon is one of the best sources out there. So next time you're at the grocery store, you might want to swing by the fish aisle. Your brain will thank you for it. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time with more health tips that are easy to catch on to, just like a good salmon dish. Cheers.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.